Welcome to our guide on how to reuse selections on FanDuel in 2025. Today, we're going to explore everything you need to know to enhance your betting experience. First, let's understand what selection reuse means. It allows you to save and quickly access your past selections for future bets, streamlining your betting process. Now, let's go through a step-by-step process on how to access your saved selections on FanDuel. It's simpler than you might think. Editing your reused selections is straightforward. In this section, I'll show you how to modify them to suit your current betting strategy. Let's talk about some best practices for effectively reusing your selections to maximize your chances of winning. It's easy to make mistakes when reusing selections. Here are some common pitfalls to avoid to ensure a smooth betting experience. Now, let's explore the numerous benefits of selecting reuse on FanDuel, from efficiency to better decision-making. We'll now examine a case study showcasing successful strategies in selection reuse. These insights could greatly enhance your tactics. Let's take a look at some of the exciting new features that FanDuel has unveiled for 2025 to improve your betting experience.